If you have been chasing profits in the forex markets based on what a so-called guru had told you, you have to hold it right there, bro. Before you go bust another account again, let's bust those myths right now. Hi traders, welcome back again to Rightway Traders. So in this channel, what to do here is to bring to you the reality of trading the forex market, how it is on real life, what to expect going forward, and what to do to be successful in the market. So this is the second episode in this YouTube channel, and what we want to do here is to give you the top lies that people are saying in this industry. So if you are a newbie, a new trader, or still fresh in the market, you find out that these are the top things you have been seeing in the market. These are actually what will motivate you to come into the market, and then you begin to see the truth. So we want to discuss that in this video. Remember previously what we spoke about in the first episode, we talked about why forex traders fail in the market. So if you've not watched that video, go back there and watch the video and know the reason why forex traders do fail in the trading market. I spoke about it, and then this video we want to talk about the top lies, and they will break those things down. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. Before we dive into it, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. There are lots more to come about forex trading, what you have to be seeing going forward in the forex market. Top lies in the forex market. Number one is that is a get rich quick scheme. Okay. Now, this is what motivated most traders into becoming a forex trader. So in no time, they will really find out that this is actually not true, because getting rich quick through forex trading means that you're already rich. It involves your capital. Okay, forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme. If you have this kind of mindset of getting rich quick through the forex market industry, you are only there to lose your funds, and you keep losing. So until you change your mindset about getting rich quick from the forex industry, you will keep losing your funds because you'll be chasing money, and when you chase money, you make a lot of losses. So let me go down and explain this get rich quick scheme that people think forex trading is. Okay, so initially when I started trading, I had this mindset of making a million with $100, making a million with $1,000. Okay, so not knowing that there's a downside to this trading market, which is losing. There is no trader out there that doesn't lose. Your ability to control your losses and your winning will give you the success. But doing this perfectly does not mean it is going to double your account overnight. Yes, I know people are flipping accounts, which is very possible in the market, but what is the risk behind it? It is possible to flip your account, but the risks behind it, are you able to take that risk? So as a professional trader, you are not supposed to take a massive risk that will put your whole capital in danger. And so to avoid this, you have to trade decently. And if you are trading decently, there is no way you can flip your account overnight. So the next video after this video, we are going to be talking about what you should expect and how long it takes you to succeed in the market. Okay, but break this concept and get it off your mind that you are never going to get rich quick in the forex market. Just see it as an investment platform, a platform whereby you invest your trade, you invest your money to make more profits in the market. So it's a gradual process. And the only way to make a lot of money is when your capital is huge enough. So people like us, we trade for people, we trade for investors. We have a lot of capital at the back end trading for traders, splitting profit for them. So if you want to be trading your own money and you want to make a lot of money from your own money, $100 is not enough to trade. So let me just give you an example. Let's say you trade for 1 month and you made a profit of 5%, which is a very, very possible thing to do, and is a very, very good return in forex trading. In fact, if you make consistent 5% a month, you're one of the best traders in the world. Let's say you made 5% and your trading capital is just $100. 5% out of $100 is $5. So you are very good in trading, but you made $5. which is not enough to do anything. Now, this comes down to your capital because your capital is very low. You made a little money. So let's say, imagine that capital to be $50,000, or let's reduce it. Let's make it $10,000. Okay, let that capital be $10,000, and you made 5% of $10,000 in a month. Same outcome, same discipline, same everything, same strategy, same results, but the money is more. Why? Because 5% of $10,000 is $500 you made that month, compared to the $5 made from $100 trading account. So you need capital to make more money in the forex market. So if you already have this capital, which means you're already rich. So what's the need of going rich, getting rich quick in the market when you're already rich? So for traders that do not have capital to trade with, there's a platform called Profem. We are going to talk about Profem right down in this same video. Yeah, where you get more capital to trade. And also, there's a technique to gain capital from investors. If you have evidence of trading, so many of your gurus are there trading, but they do not have trading track record. They don't have evidence of trading a live account to show proof of all this. Okay, so if you have evidence of trading a live account for like the minimum of 6 months and is making a profit, you can use that to gain the attention of forex investors. There are people that don't know where to keep their money. They just want to look for somewhere to dump it so I can make money for them. If you have the skill, they are there to get them. So just note this: forex is a gradual investment platform. It's not a get rich quick scheme where you come and you make money overnight. Don't be dumb. All right, let's go to the next one. The next lie told in the forex market is that Profem is a faster way to make money. I spoke about Profem of a way to get fund. Yes, that is because Profem gives you the mindset. Why I said that is that Profem actually gives you the mindset of owning a huge trading capital. But the reality of that is not true. Okay, now let me talk about this. Why people go into trading a Profem account is to gain capital. Okay, to gain capital. For example, a Profem will give you $10,000 trading capital with a fee of $100. You are giving them $100 and they are giving you $10,000 capital to trade with. Okay, maybe you pass their challenge and you have this live account. Now, in reality, they are not giving you a $10,000 capital because there are rules to trading that account. This is what people don't see. They don't see the numbers behind this because we, on our own part, Profem is more like another broker with a higher leverage. It's just the same thing. Okay. So if you have a $10,000 broker, if you have a $10,000 Profem account and you bought it for $100, okay, and you are giving the condition of not going less than 5%. Not going less than 5% of $10,000, which means you are only locked in 5% of $10,000. 5% of a $10,000 account is $500. This means your actual capital is $500 and not $10,000. You are just giving the $10,000 to be viewing it. You don't have anything to do with it. There's no trading power there. So what you have with you is $500, but this you acquired with $100. Okay. Now, your mission is to trade that account and pass their challenges, maybe twice or thrice, depending on how it is. But if you notice, in order for you to pass their challenge, you have to make a 10% of that $10,000, which is $1,000. So you have to make $1,000. And remember, ideally, your capital is $500. So with $500, you have to make $1,000. This is 200% gain. So you are actually making 200% with your trading capital of $500 in a Profem account. So this is one of the lies people say about trading Profem account. There's a special video I'm making on exposing everything about trading Profem account so that you know what you're going into if you're trading a Profem account. Yes, there's a downside and there's an upside. So you have to understand how Profem works and how to go into it. The money you are seeing is not actually the money they are giving to you. Your drawdown, your daily drawdown is what your capital is. And then you can now micro range, or you can now micro scale it with the amount of fee you paid. Okay. Going forward, we'll talk about profit, especially on another video. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel. We're exposing everything in the forex market to you. Now, another lie on what people say in the forex market, okay, is that price action is the best way of trading. Many people coming into this industry don't know any other way of trading apart from price action. Including me, when I started, I was trading price action. Price action was what I was trading for years. When I saw no result, I have to switch and look for something else to do. People don't know about indicator trading. Indicator is the best, to me, my own opinion, is the best way of trading because it eliminates every form of emotions or every form of self decisions that price action gives you. So when you are trading with price action, you have a lot of doubts, you have a lot of uncertainty in your analysis. Okay, if I have three price action traders before my computer right now, they are going to give me three different analytical results. So this is why price action is not a very good way to trade. So I know I'm going to be offending a lot of price action traders, yes, by saying this, but note this: I have also tried price action for years, and I've also tried indicator trading. People abandon indicator trading because they don't know how to use it. They just use one indicator and they fail and they leave it. There's a way to use indicator, which is why in our platform we design an algorithm. We call it the indicator algorithm. How we trade using the indicator in scanning the market with different types of indicator that they do all their job differently. Why we use this is to eliminate every form of uncertainty, because indicator goes straight to the point and give you the analysis. Okay, once you insert the template on your system, the analysis is already there. There's no need to draw trend line, support line, and all those kind of price action, SMC, ICT concept that doesn't work. Indicator is just there to point the signal to you directly if your indicator is set in a way to search for trend. Okay, notice that your strategy is just 30% of the work. Okay, it's not very important as the other things like your risk management, your trade management, and your trading routine. These are the things that form and tell us if you are going to actually be successful in this market. Your trading strategy is just there for your head to be straight, for you to follow a pattern. That's why your strategy is there. And price action cannot give you a pattern. Price action is very uncertain. Okay, price action is not the best way of trading left to me. We are making a special video on this too for price action. Let's go into the next lie told in the forex industry. Now, the another lie I said in the forex trading market is that I see this all the time, but I've not had chance to talk about it. Is that stop losses are for beginners. Any professional trader that is not trading with a stop loss, it's just a matter of time. The professional trader will be crushed and doomed again. Stop loss is very necessary in your trading because you cannot tell the future. We are all speculating and we don't know what will happen in the future. Remember the spike that happened in the forex market 2015, January 15th, 2015. That could be you if you're not using stop loss. So if you're a trader that doesn't use stop loss, this will really affect your account in case whenever the big banks or whoever that's controlling the market decide to take the market against you so powerfully that you will not be able to exit from that market. So for traders that are not using stop loss, that are doing it professionally, don't take this as an advice. Always use stop loss in your trading account. So unless you are trading with just a very little risk, maybe you are trading to flip an account, which is all for fun, but not a professional way of trading. Stop loss is necessary in trading. Note this. The last one for today that we're going to talk about is about leverage. This happens a lot in Africa. All these brokers coming into Africa to collect the attention of forex traders, they bring in the market idea of using leverage to multiply your account. Using high leverage in trading is very, very dangerous, and it doesn't even give you any impact in your trading account. So if so when some traders they do think that the more your leverage, the more money you make. This is not true. Leverage is just there to expand your ability to accumulate risk. That's what leverage is. Leverage does not guarantee you more money in your trading account. So there's a special video again coming up for leverage to understand how leverage works in the market. How leverage can work for you and how leverage can work against you. In fact, traders do take this thing on serious. They don't know anything about leverage and they just go ahead and do whatever. Leverage matters a lot in your trading account that helps to protect your capital. So we're going to talk about this on a special video. So as a professional forex traders that you want to become, you have to rethink and change your belief in this game. This is why we are here to give you the education, the discipline to take into realistic expectation. So, what are you gonna do? Subscribe to this channel. We are bringing more of this to you. You can also join our Telegram channel where we drop important information for our followers. On our next video, remember when I talked about this in the first video, I said this is gonna be like episodal method. You'll be dropping our messages twice every week. So next week are going to be talking about how long it actually takes to become profitable in the forex market. I'll break down the process, the procedure for you to follow, and how long it can take realistically to get to the point where you want to be seeing profits in your trading account. So, what are you going to do? Subscribe and click the notification bell so that when I post that video, you're going to see it.